Welcome back to our continuing coverage of Industry Week 2025. This morning we are back at SEMA. I'm at the Seymour booth and I'm with Rodion. Rodion, thank you for letting us stop by today.
Absolutely.
So you guys obviously have a new product you're launching here. Can you walk us through it a little bit?
Yeah, so 75 years ago, our founder, Edward Seymour, invented aerosol spray paint. That invention spawned this global industry and really changed the way the world paints. 75 years later, we're hoping to continue that legacy of innovation. We're still a family-run company, and we want to change the way the world paints again. So that's why we're all super excited to be launching the AutoFlow Spray Gun here at SEMA Shop.
No, I mean, I was never a paint and body technician, right? But I know different when I see it. Can you kind of walk me through the nuts and bolts on this thing and how it works?
Yeah, it is a great problem solver, right? That's why we're here. We're trying to solve problems. Sometimes you don't want to tie up your spray booth. You don't want to tie up your tech's time by cleaning HVLP guns. So if you have a small repair like a quarter panel or a fender, you need to lay down some primer. This is a great alternative. You're staying under the 3-ounce booth limit, and you're still getting all the best qualities out of an HVLP gun. So the unique aerosol cans are going to come with this unique 45-degree elbow tip. It's a medium fan spray tip on here that's adjustable. Basically, you just slide this thing in, clicks in place, and you're ready to go. No cleanup, nothing. The ergonomics, the way this feels, it feels like a HVLP gun with very similar results. Really, really great product.
Yeah, it sounds like it. You know, I mean, that's interesting. I love how you can change the angle of the fan. That way you can keep your hand, and like you said, in an ergonomical position. So that's fantastic. Obviously, you're launching this right now. How's your feedback been on this?
Here at the show, it's been amazing. I mean, we're launching this with a select group of products that we know the industry wants, but we've been getting a ton of great feedback. Folks coming up to us and letting us know what they really want to see in this gun. We're going to use that. We're going to offer it. We're going to give it to the people what they want.
Absolutely. I mean, it looks like an excellent product, and it should be a hit. So I appreciate your time. I know you are a busy person, but thank you so much for your couple of minutes to help us walk through this. So have a great rest of the day.
Likewise.